shopping with my dog. Grab a leash, slip on his collar, shopping with my dog. Please leave the fleas at home. We like to be alone. We can spend the day together. Gonna buy my dog a fuzzy sweater. We'll spend the day inside the mall, shopping with my dog. You'll find a phone, I'll find a ball, shopping with my dog. Out of the we both found hats, shopping with my dog. We'll find a book on chasing cats, shopping with my dog. We'll wander through the big pet store. He'll wonder what I brought him for. We're gonna have a dog toy sale. Love to watch him wag his tail. Today's the day we're gonna go shopping with my dog. We're on our way, so don't be slow. Shopping with my dog. Shopping with my cow. Shopping with my pig. Boing, boing. Shopping with my chicken. Shopping with my dinosaur. I did. Shopping with my baby. Shopping with my sister. He hit me. Shopping with my person. Shopping with my dad. I don't know, ask your mother. Shopping with my mother.
No! Walk away from that toy. Don't look at it.
Shopping with my grandpa. What? Shopping with my grandma. I'm gonna pinch her cheeks. Shopping with my cat. Shopping with my dog. Hey, good job.